Friends, this is Fakir Yogi Birendra Yogi, a born soldier. I fought at every front for the liberation of human being, spreading the message of peace, joy, prosperity and happiness through yogic culture and yogic way of life. But beloved friends, you see where I am staying. You see all around is a barren land. There is only one house, that is Yogi Nivas, and all around is a forest type scene here. I stay here. But so many cruels and criminals people, they try to threaten me, they try to really disturb my peace of mind. But I am a valiant soldier, I am never afraid of them. I am ready to face every consequences of my being a brave, valiant soldier of Mother India and the world. Dear friends, so many times I decided to go for some arms, weapons to protect myself. But I tell you, there is a proverb and saying in English, those who move with swords, they will be massacred by the swords. You see the great criminals, great terrorists, they are all having swords and guns, but other mighty rivals have stronger weapons of mass destruction. That's why I never want arms. I want love, I want peace, I want joy. Because I know the consequences. I am a brave soldier. I can destroy any enemies I have done in my life. But I cannot be safe. Because the person who will be victims of my doing justice to my security, safety, my morality and my pride and prestige will never allow me to live in peace and harmony. That's why even Lord Krishna, fighting with the neighboring kings, he went away somewhere else. Peace is our real treasure of living happy life. Maintain peace. I really request the criminals, cruels, terrorists, your days are numbered. You cannot survive longer. And don't harass brave hearts like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, because they can be much more braver than you. They can destroy in no times. But where is the peace? There will be jealousy, there will be arrogance, there will be revenge. Beware. No arms, no ammunition, only love, tolerance and patience can save us. In this forest I am living because I love everyone. One night I was sleeping, and as you know, these criminals have so many days destroyed my windows, tried to disturb my peace of mind. I always seek the advice and cooperation of the local administration police forces. I decided to go for arms. When I was in deep sleep, the dream came, and my guru and guide, Lord Buddha, appeared, Gautama Siddhartha. And he said, no, only love. But it is very difficult. Somebody is abusing you, somebody is cursing you, somebody telling you are belonging to Mars, another planets. It's very torturing and disturbing. Have patience. Truth only triumphs. These fools will fail miserably. But must have patience. Thank you very much. Never be angry. Never go for revenge. Only love. But be mighty warrior. There's no need to be afraid. Anybody dies one day, face the most destructive death, bravely and valiantly, loving and not fighting with the criminals and cruels. Because we cannot fight. We don't have the army. But we are not timid. We are brave soldiers. And if we become very destructive, we can challenge the governments of the country. My Guru Subhash Chandra Bose did. He wanted to overthrow the empire of British. He raised his own army, that is called Indian National Army. I belong to that breed. We can fight, but give some chance to peace. Till a particular threshold, we should be patient. That is my message to the people who are victims of the criminals, the cruels, the fools, the idiots. Thank you, viewers. Be wise, be patient. Forgive them. That can be a short-term gain for you. Thank you.